Hello and welcome to this short video on the baby 5/8 inch offset arm. Offset arms allow you to offset light fixtures from the stand position. This allows you to hide the stand behind a set wall with the light fixture offset or extending over the top. The baby offset arm consists of a baby receiver with a locking knob on one side and a double knurled baby pin on the other side, and two holes perpendicular to the studs for safety pins. It is 16.25 inches in length. Let's mount this ARRI 1K Fresnel on a C-stand over our set wall. First, we'll place our C-stand behind the wall and then bag it well to prevent it from tipping over. Next, place the baby receiver on the baby pin and secure it in place. Now we'll hang our 1K Fresnel by sliding the baby receiver onto the lower baby pin. Now we'll secure the 1K Fresnel to the offset arm by using a safety cable. Finally, we can raise our riser sections of our C-stand, swing the Fresnel over our set wall, and lower into place. Now that's a wrap. Thanks for watching. When it comes to your image making dreams and your grip equipment, at Kupo we like to say, never let go.